Good morning. Welcome to Karuna Vidyakshetra News. This is Aardra with you. Let's start with the headlines. Daughter Alexandra Abhilash from Kerala enters India Book of Records with her GK. 2.5-year girl from Bhubaneswar achieved world record. Bhavya Chahat bagged 4 medals from the Thailand age group swimming championship 2022. Srihari Natraj tops B final in France meet. The sunny smiles open up with new stories. Alexandra Abhilash, a 1.6-year-old from Manipur, has mastered a lot of GK facts and carved a place for herself in the record books. Alexandra's ability was recognized by the India Book of Records. Alexandra started learning about interesting facts as soon as she turned 1. She successfully learned the names of the Prime Minister, President and Chief Ministers. Anvi wishes Agarwal, a 2.5-year-old girl from Bhubaneswar, made her way into the World Book of Records and India Book Records when she achieved a world record by painting 72 paintings, the most ever done by a child. And we began her impressionistic journey when she was 9 months old. The child has demonstrated her challenge in 37 different art techniques. Not only that, Anvi has set an India Book record for speaking Spanish and understanding all 42 phonic sounds. Indian swimmer Bhavya Sachdeva and Chahat Arora made big ripples at the Thailand age group swimming championship 2022 and bagged 4 medals from their outing at the Water Sports Center of the Assumption University of Thailand. Chandigarh Chahat Arora won 2 medals, a gold in the 50-meter breaststroke and a silver in the 100-meter breaststroke. On the other hand, Bhavya Sachdeva won 2 bronze medals from the swimming event in Samut Pragan, Thailand. Ace Indian swimmer Srihari Natraj clocked 55.28 seconds to win the men's 100-meter backstroke B final at the French Elite Open Swimming Championship in Limoges, France. Sitting in his first international meet of the year, the 21-year-old first clocked 55.88 in the preliminary round of his pet event. He finished in the top 10 of the 46 swimmer field, but couldn't make the cut for the A final. We truly value the worth of time in everyone's life, and when time is channeled in right direction with fun and creativity, the outcome is marvelous. As Karuna Vidyakshetra School opens up its summer camp, the sunny smiles, the learning and fun continues. From science experiment to glass painting, the exploration of knowledge will be limitless. So let's learn new skills and master this time with growth and cheerful smiles. That's all for today. This is